Hi, I'm Ed Jones, owner and founder of Off Grid Power Systems. We sell, design, and install solar energy systems, lithium batteries, inverters, chargers, and management devices to enable owners of RVs and other specialty vehicles to live and work off the grid and to avoid making reservations months in advance just to get a camping spot with hookups. Today, I'd like to discuss the three most common types of solar panels we use in our mobile off-grid power systems. And these are traditional aluminum-framed panels with silicon solar cells covered with tempered glass, silicon cell flexible solar panels sandwiched between plastic substrates, and flexible panels made with copper indium gallium selenide cells, often just called CIGS panels. Each panel type has its own pros and cons, and installation might include one or more types of panels depending on the wants and needs of the client. Traditional panels with aluminum frames, silicon cells, and tempered glass offer the best electrical efficiency, durability, longevity, and lowest cost. These are the panels that are most often found installed on the roofs of buildings or on ground-mounted arrays. They have been around for decades, come in many sizes and capacities, and typically last 20 to 30 years. However, they are heavier than flexible panels and require robust mechanical mounting systems to survive a trip down the highway at 30 miles per hour. These are most often used panels in our rooftop installations on RVs as they provide the best cost-performance ratio. The second type we'll discuss today are flexible solar panels made with similar silicon cells as the traditional type, but with no aluminum frame or tempered glass cover. This allows the panels to produce almost as much power at a much lower weight. Those are great qualities, but they come with some serious downsides. First, they are usually only warranted for 2 to 3 years versus the 20 to 30 years of traditional panels. And even though they are thin and somewhat flexible, they cannot be walked on, and if mounted directly to the roof, can trap a lot of heat between the panel and the roof. This heat can not only damage the roof and panel, but it also causes the electrical efficiency to suffer. In other words, these panels will produce less energy for the same nominal wattage as traditional solar panels. However, there are use cases for silicon cell flexible solar panels. We recommend them for use in two situations. First, they make great solar awnings to go over side windows of your RV. They add additional solar generation capacity to your off-grid power system, and they reduce the heat load inside your RV, which keeps the inside cooler and leads to less electrical consumption from your air conditioning. The second use case is thin, light, and portable solar panels that are quick to deploy on the ground for additional solar capacity. While it takes a few minutes to set these ground-mounted panels up or take them down, when boondocking for days or weeks at a time, the additional power charges batteries quicker and allows for extended air conditioning use. The third type of panel we use are CIGS panels. They are lightweight, flexible, durable, don't have reduced electrical efficiency when hot like silicon flexible panels, and can even be walked on. But these features come at a cost, literally. They are 4 to 5 times more expensive than traditional solar panels. Still, they have their uses, especially for marine use such as sailboats. For our RV installations, however, we very rarely use them. In the future, however, when the price of CIGS panels come down, we do expect to use them more. I hope this helps you understand a little bit about the types of solar panel considerations we discuss when designing your off-grid solar system. Proposing these kind of options is what differentiates off-grid power systems from most other solar installers performing electrical upgrades to RVs. We spend the time up front with our clients to understand their goals, wants, and needs for mobile power before we begin to talk about what products they need to buy. Our clients tell us that they chose to work with us for their electrical system needs because we offered them choices not presented to them by any other company. Thank you for watching. You can find more information about off-grid power systems at the links below. If you liked the information in this video, please give us a like and subscribe. If you want to be alerted when we post future content, click the bell icon. Thank you.